How to buy EstaliaX token. So this token came under the symbol of ESXA. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token you can buy it on your BINANCE account. So first of all, open your BINANCE like that. Now make sure to log into your account, and after that you will be able to see a search bar here. Now click on it and type ESXA. After that, click on the pair that have USDT, and after you click on it, you can now set the amount that you want to buy, and you will be able to see the total that you should pay of that USDT on your account. Now after that, click on buy the token, and this token will be added to your account. So this is how to buy EstaliaX token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.